Imagine time as a very long road stretching out from where we stand. It is a road that extends farther than we can possibly see, beyond any known horizon. Behind us lies the past, a relatively short path detailing the entire story of our world, the brief flicker of human history. Ahead of us, this road disappears into a future of billions, even trillions of years. On this quiet, endless road travel a few lonely pioneers. They are our machines, our silent messengers sent out from our small blue world. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 travel slowly but with great purpose, moving through the vast, cold emptiness of interstellar space. They carry our stories, our sounds, a piece of our soul etched onto golden records, a greeting to the cosmos. They will keep moving long, long after we are gone. A small whisper sent into the great cosmic night. These spacecraft are more than just metal and wires. They are a promise we made to the future, a question we asked of the universe without expecting a reply. We knew they would travel to places we could only dream of, their paths eventually carrying them beyond our galaxy's edge. The journey of these probes unfolds over a scale of time hard for a human mind to truly hold. Not just years or centuries, but thousands, millions, and eventually billions of years into the future, drifting through the void. We can only speculate how they will change, how they will endure the slow erosion of micrometeoroids and cosmic rays, what they might become. These probes are the most distant traces of humanity, fragile, beautiful messages cast into the cosmic ocean. Should they ever be found, what would a different intelligence make of our music, our mathematics, our simple hello? Their tale is our tale, written on the grandest scale imaginable. It's a story of hope and curiosity. Let us walk along this long road together and wonder. Right now, as of today in 2025, the Voyager probes are still talking to us. Voyager 1 has traveled farther than any human-made object. It has entered interstellar space. Voyager 2 is not far behind. They send back faint whispers, tiny radio signals crossing billions of miles, taking many hours to return. Our large radio antennas have to listen very, very carefully. Each probe carries a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, turning plutonium's decay heat into electricity. This internal fire has kept them alive for decades, but it is slowly, steadily fading. Engineers have been shutting down systems one by one, like turning off lights before a long trip. Heaters and scientific instruments have gone dark to save power for the most vital task: communication. Soon that communication will end forever when the transmitter can no longer power up. One by one, the Voyager probes will fall silent. We will listen, but there will be no reply. Their mission of sending data will be over. But their journey will not be. They will coast onward at over 30,000 miles per hour, silent ghosts carrying precious cargo through the dark. For nearly half a century they were our eyes and ears, showing us Io's volcanoes, Triton's strange terrain, and our place in the cosmos. Now their story shifts, from data sent home to a journey they will continue alone and unheard for eons. So yeah. In the very near future, over the next few decades, the final chapter of our conversation will be written. A delicate ballet of power management, choosing which instruments to sacrifice to keep communication alive a little longer. The cameras are long off, other sensors follow until only basic engineering data remains. Around the 2030s, the final message will likely be sent. The power decays, the transmitter stops. There will be no grand explosion, only silence. On Earth, a somber moment. For the probes, nothing changes. They continue to coast through the void as before. Once silent, they become passive artifacts, time capsules. Their bodies, their golden records, are all that remain. For a few hundred years, they look much the same. The vacuum is gentle, no air to rust, no water to corrode. But space is not empty. Gas, dust, and energetic particles begin a slow, universal sandblasting. Paint may flake. Antennas and instruments pit and wear, the first signs of cosmic aging. A slow decay that plays out over millions and billions of years. The silent journey has begun, and time is starting to leave its mark. They are no longer explorers in the active sense, they are messages, waiting. Let us jump far ahead. To 10,000 years from today, a span that dwarfs all recorded history. On Earth, civilizations will rise and fall, languages will evolve beyond recognition, coastlines will be redrawn. For us, it is an eternity. Yet for Voyager, this is a brief moment. Trillions of miles from home, it glides silently through the interstellar medium, the thin gas and dust between the stars. Here, the relentless bombardment by cosmic rays and micrometeoroids takes its toll. The probe's surfaces are scoured and pitted, each impact a mark of the passing eons. Exposed to the harsh vacuum, Plastics and insulation grow brittle and crack. Even the lustrous gold plating of the golden record may begin to dull, its message still intact but its surface tarnished. They are transforming into cosmic fossils, artifacts of a distant world, still recognizable, yet profoundly ancient. Their journey is a testament to the sheer scale of space, defined mostly by emptiness. Stars are separated by unimaginable gulfs of darkness. Even at over 30,000 miles per hour, tens of thousands of years are needed to reach the nearest star, Proxima Centauri. And the Voyagers are not aimed for it, they are simply adrift. A close encounter is unlikely for at least 40,000 years, when Voyager 1 passes somewhat near the star Gliese 445, still more than a light year away. Now let's leap to 1 million years from today, a time span longer than our species has existed. From Voyager's perspective, the familiar constellations of home will have warped into new, unrecognizable patterns. Our sun is just another faint star in their sky. They are no longer emissaries of Earth, they have become true citizens of the Milky Way. The slow erosion of sputtering continues, stripping away material atom by atom. Thin structures may sever, but the robust bus will likely endure, battered and scarred like a small metallic asteroid. But the galaxy is not static. The stars themselves are in constant motion. Over 1 million years, the chance of drifting through a distant star system becomes plausible. A close gravitational pass could capture Voyager into a vast new orbit, or sling it onto a completely new trajectory into the galactic wilderness. The odds are low, but over such time the improbable becomes possible. This is the strange, slow and silent fate that awaits them, a message in a bottle cast into a cosmic ocean, forever seeking a distant shore. Let us take our final greatest leap, 5 billion years forward. Our sun swells into a red giant engulfing Mercury and Venus. Earth's oceans boil away, its surface scorched beyond recognition. The home that sent Voyager will be gone, returned to stellar dust. But the Voyagers will be far away, having orbited the galaxy many times. Their paths, bent by stellar flybys, are now unpredictable. One such encounter could fling a probe out of the Milky Way to drift alone in the vast expanse between galaxies. After billions of years, radiation and dust do severe damage. The delicate antenna and booms are gone. Perhaps only the core bus, the RTG casing and the golden record itself endure, a battered ghost of the original craft. A nearby supernova could vaporize the probe, scatter its atoms, or simply batter it as it drifts on. Cosmic chance decides. The golden record's map, using pulsars as landmarks, also decays. As the pulsars slow their rotation, the map grows less accurate. After 1 billion years, the address to Earth becomes a cosmic riddle, perhaps forever lost. Voyager shows two kinds of decay: the quick silence of electronics, the slow erosion of the physical form, an atom here, another there, after 1 million years pitting, after 1 billion sections worn away, forms simplified, no longer recognizably made. Even gold is not forever. Micrometeoroids can puncture it, and sputtering can erase the grooves. If no one finds or understands it, the information is lost. The object remains, but its purpose vanishes, becoming a silent, unknowable artifact. In 1 trillion years, stars fade, galaxies dim. In the heat death, if they still exist, the probes are cold fragments, or single atoms, stories erased. But the journey matters. The Voyagers are a symbol of the best of us, a moment when we looked beyond our own lifetimes and sent a greeting into the cosmos, not expecting an answer. Two small specks carrying a story, a song, and a simple hello. They drift on, our legacy in the language of physics and time. This long perspective reminds us to care for our precious home. They are a testament to a species that reached for the stars, and with them travels an enduring hope that one day, someone may find our message in a bottle and know we once dared to dream.